We'll guide you through how to add effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're on the edit page where you can see your video timeline. To add an effect, you need to go over to the effects library on the top left of your workspace. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of options like video transitions, audio transitions, and OpenFX. If you're looking to add a visual effect, click on OpenFX. You'll see a list of effects that you can drag and drop directly onto your clip in the timeline. For instance, if you want to add a blur effect, scroll down to the blur section, find the Gaussian blur, and drag it onto your desired clip. Once you've added the effect, you can customize it by clicking on the Inspector tab in the upper right area of the screen. Here, you'll find all the parameters you can adjust, like the intensity of the blur or any other specific settings that your chosen effect offers. If you want to add multiple effects, you can layer them by continuing to drag and drop different effects onto the same clip. DaVinci Resolve is powerful, so take your time to experiment with different combinations to see what works best for your project. Remember, you can always remove an effect by clicking on the little X maniacal next to it in the inspector. Once you're happy with your effects, make sure to save your project so you don't lose any of your hard work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.